morning. I'm Lottie Ann Silvis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you. Please read my channel description so that you can know who I am. And if you don't know who I am, let me just share with you a little bit about myself. I do a little bit of internet marketing. I've been in affiliate marketing since 2008. I'm originally from Hawaii and born in Maui, and I'm a mother of 6 grown children. I have 4 grandkids so far. I'm 60 years old as well. I don't look like I'm 60. A lot of people think I look young, and actually I do feel young. But what you see right now is I'm just going to share with you some of the things I do online. And if you notice about me, I do create ebooks, and if you ever wanted to create your own ebooks or sell your own ebooks or whatever your interest is, you can make fantastic professional ebooks. And that's what this video is about. If you like this video, if you like coming back, watching me, thank you. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my upcoming latest video that I will be uploading later. But today I'm going to talk about Scribble. Now, I do a lot of research online. I've tried other ebook softwares, but the best one that you can have is Scribble. Scribble is dependable, reliable. It's very affordable. If you're new on the internet, you want to create ebooks, try to avoid staying away from ebook softwares that pay monthly charges. With Scribble, you don't pay monthly charges. It's just a one-time fee coming in. And this Scribble is an ebook creator, and it's going to help you create professional ebooks. And I'm just going to just share with you what you can have with it. As you can see, this is the website. There's 40,000 people using Scribble now. Limited time sales, 40% off. So if you use April 2022, it is still working. Every once in a while, I'll make a video about Scribble because this is something that I use, and I want to just introduce you to it because it might be something that you need for you and your business. It does create amazing ebooks, reports in 5 minutes without typing any words. I mean, it can actually create it for you, and it's very easy, friendly, easy to use, and you will not get frustrated because the training in the back office with Scribble, there's video tutorials step by step from the owner that created this software, our CEO. And you will get to know him later because I will introduce you in the back office who he really is. If you get into Scribble right now, there's a $26.80 off here. So if I click onto that, okay, we're just going to ignore this right here. We're just going to go. Now, Scribble is very affordable to get in. But as you can see, it's $67 for the whole software. But you can get it by just typing April. I know it's already past April, but it's still working. 2022. You apply the coupon and you can get the whole software for $40.20. Alright, and let me just go back. I'm going to actually go back to where I was. Okay, I'm going to just browse through what it can create for you, as it creates amazing ebooks. You can actually check it out yourself. Okay, actually the original price for Scribble is $197. $67 today. Using the coupon code, you get it only for $40. Watch this video. It's very easy to use. It makes stunning designs, 60 seconds creation, instant content, commercial license to agency website is included. With the click of the button, you can actually find out more about this software. You're gonna find it's very useful. I use it quite a lot. It's always on sale. I don't know how long the CEO is going to keep that sale going on, because eventually he's going to put it back to its normal price, $197. So, you know, I'm always promoting Scribble, because Scribble is the best. It's so easy, and I use it for my Etsy shop. I made my digital ebooks through Scribble. And I want to share with you right now the back office real quickly. Now, if you guys want to know more about Scribble, I do have other videos about Scribble, and I do demonstrate step by step where everything is. And I'm not going to do it in this video, because I've already made a video about explaining and showing you and sharing with you where the possibilities where you can generate more income for your business. It does a lot for you. So, but I'm going to go quickly to my back office here. And I've already signed in. So, and I always use the help button. As you can see, everything is green here because I have upgraded and I own everything. So I have my own ebook creator. I could submit ebooks everywhere in social media, and there's so much more, but I want you guys to actually listen to this guy right here. He's the creator of Scribble, and let me just play a little bit of that.
Hey, Sadil Chowdhury here. How are you doing? You good?
Okay, did you hear his name? I have actually a hard time saying his name, so but anyway, he's going to introduce you. He takes you step by step. Actually, there's a really good training here in the back office. Here, if you click into training here, he's got all these he's got all the videos here that you can actually watch, and step by step how everything works in the back office. Everything is easy, done for you, step by step. And if you just go ahead and check it out, you will be very impressed how everything is just put together. Alright, and then now they have training every Tuesday. They've got videos about it, and you can actually listen in. Every week they have training about Scribble, and which is really great. So anyway, this video, I hope you guys enjoy it, and there's a link below if you want to learn more about Scribble. If you're interested and really want it, go ahead, smash that button and get your own Scribble today. Alright guys, hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. For now, bye for now. I love to support this website, Scribble. Scribble generates ebooks on demand with new technology, and if you're in business, get your Scribble now, because Scribble is normally priced at $197, but right now it is $67. And with the discount price from $67 minus the $26.80, as you can see, it's still available in September 2022. Alright, so I just wanted to make this known to everyone that this is still 40% off now, and I want you guys to check it out. If this is for you, there's a link below. You can get started right away. Scribble is the best.